In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this nice 3D pop-out effect in Canva in just a few minutes, including the animations. And we're starting from a blank canvas. Now first we want to change the background. So we go to Elements, and here we want to type in yellow, and then go to Photos. And this gives us some nice elements that we can choose from. I'm going to choose one of the existing yellow images, and I'm going to add it to the slide. Now I want to look for an Instagram post, and then go to Graphics. See all. And this gives us a selection of Instagram layout posts and mockups that we can work with. I'll go for a clean one on this slide. So let's see what we can have. I think this one looks quite good. It's a carousel, so I'm going to look for a normal picture, so not a carousel image. And I think this one will do. Let's make it slightly smaller. And now we look for a nice picture. So we're going for a person cheering. This could be a picture of yourself as well. And this one actually looks quite good. So I'm going to select this image, and now we go to Edit Image, and we're going for the Magic Grab. You can also remove the background if you want to put in a different background. I'm going to separate background and object. So click the person and click on Grab. Now let the Magic Grab do its work, and then you'll have two layers, the background and the foreground or the person. There we go. Now I'm going to reduce the crop marks of the background so that they fit the picture frame. And I'll do that from all sides. And the last one here. And then the person, I'm going to position it at the top of the frame like this. Now we have a full sky of that picture. If we want to have some of the ground or the horizon in the picture, you can always shift the crop marks a little bit. And then I like to select the objects, right click, group them together. And this way you can increase or decrease them in size and reposition them on the slides. You can even turn them and make them quite large. There we go. And then have a lot of space on the left or the right side to put some text. So if you want to add some nice titles, you can do it. Social. Let's maybe go for a font that is a bit more condensed, like Anton. Put it here, make it white, create a copy, media. And now let's put some animations to them. The elements, animate, and those I think they can do like a nice baseline effect. And for the grouped item, I'm going to select everything by dragging across it, animate. I think a baseline effect here also works quite well, especially if you tilt it slightly, then it comes from a short angle, and I think that looks pretty cool. Let's preview what we have. And this is how you make a nice 3D pop-out effect in Canva in just a few simple clicks, and they will just make your photos stand out that little bit extra. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.